Here are some new investment ideas to consider in 2024. 1. Sustainable energy. Invest in companies that focus on renewable energy, such as solar and wind power, energy storage, and electric vehicles. 2. Health tech. The healthcare industry is ripe for innovation. Invest in companies that use technology to improve patient outcomes, reduce costs, and enhance healthcare services. 3. E-commerce enablers. The shift to online shopping is here to stay. Invest in companies that provide e-commerce solutions, such as logistics, payment processing, and digital marketing platforms. 4. Cybersecurity. As technology advances, cybersecurity threats will continue to rise. Invest in companies that specialize in protecting data and preventing cyber attacks. 5. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. AI and ML are transforming industries across the globe. Invest in companies that develop AI-powered solutions for various sectors. 6. Virtual reality, VR and augmented reality. VR and AR are revolutionizing entertainment, education, and healthcare. Invest in companies that develop innovative VR and AR experiences. 7. Biotech. Advances in biotechnology are leading to breakthroughs in medicine, agriculture, and environmental sustainability. Invest in companies that focus on these areas. 8. Digital infrastructure. The growth of the Internet of Things, IoT, requires robust digital infrastructure. Invest in companies that develop and maintain this infrastructure. 9. Blockchain and cryptocurrency. While the cryptocurrency market is volatile, blockchain technology has numerous applications beyond digital currency. Invest in companies that develop blockchain-based solutions. 10. Emerging markets. Emerging markets like Southeast Asia, Latin America, and Africa are showing significant growth potential. Invest in companies that operate in these regions. 11. Agriculture technology. The agricultural industry is ripe for innovation, with a focus on precision farming, vertical farming, and sustainable agriculture practices. 12. Robotics and automation. As automation becomes more prevalent, invest in companies that develop robotics solutions for various industries. 13. Environmental sustainability. With growing concerns about climate change, invest in companies that focus on sustainable practices, recycling, and waste reduction. 14. Online education. The shift to online learning is accelerating. Invest in companies that provide online educational platforms, courses, and resources. 15. Digital payments. The rise of digital payments is transforming the financial industry. Invest in companies that provide secure payment processing solutions.